Hi, it's Meera here, continuing my CSS Grid Layout series. Last time it was grid row property. Today we'll be teaching you about grid area, how to make a grid area. So I'm using the same template though, and I just make a small change here. I just call this grid area and use the same template. You've already seen how the row property works. So let's choose an item to make an area. For item 8 dot, because we're choosing the class for item 8 is item 8, right? So dot, the selector is dot item 8 grid area one shorthand 2 5 6. What does this mean? Starts row line 1, starts column line 2, ends row line 5, ends column line 6. Let's see, 1 2 5 6. Yes, starts row line 1, starts column line 2, ends column line 5, and ends row line 5 and ends column line 6, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a 6 column line. So that's how it goes. Let's try something else a bit different. Let's say everything remains the same. Instead of 2, I say span 2. So what does it mean if I say span 2? So here everything else is same. Starts in row line 1. For the column, it spans 2 columns, ends row line 5, ends column line 6, right? You can do the span anywhere. Let's see how it goes here. Okay, the cherry that we were talking about. What happens? Starts in here. Starts row line 1, spans 2 columns here, 5. So ends row line 5. There you go. 1 2 3 4 5, fifth row, then 6. So this last 6 ends in column 6, of course. 1 column 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6, the last column. So there you go. I hope you understood this. So this means, again repeat, starts row line 1, spans 2 columns, ends row line. It starts with row line 1, spans 2 columns, ends in row line 5, ends in column line 6. Okay, that's a shorthand property. So that's all about the grid row property. Hope you understood. You can mention in the comment section if you didn't follow. I'll be including this code file inside the description, so you can have a look and manipulate with different spans here and different ending and beginning lines. Ciao, stay safe, see you in the next session. Until then, bye. And don't forget to subscribe. Stay subscribed for more such grid layout tutorials and other CSS tutorials.